Pete, Power Sports Wraps. We're going to put a simple wrap on this 2008 Kawasaki Ninja 250. We've gotten to the point where we've stripped the bike down and all obstructions are out of the way. We've prepped the surface, so we're ready to start the basic install of the wrapping film. Keep in mind we did just some simple cuts to make it a little bit easier to get around some obstructions. And this film is a combination of high-performance wrapping film and a hard, glossy cast laminate, which makes it real easy to work with, plus it gives it that real nice, glossy finish. So Mike and I are going to start the install. There's quite a few different ways to do it. We just like to basically do a dry set and start installing. This material you don't have to put on wet. It is a little bit more aggressive adhesive than some wrapping films, but it serves its purpose and works very well. So once you got the backing paper on there, you're going to set your position. Ours is the body line up at the top. Make sure you have the overage the other way. Smiley? Got the angle. So it's going to fold over. And basically you want to hold it nice and tight, start stretching it over. So we did our dry set, and now you begin to work on from the flat surfaces down. If you get a little crease, you can simply pull it back up, rework the film over, and you can see it's pretty forgiving as far as the material and adhesives is concerned. So don't be afraid to work the film. Hold it nice and tight. We got to the point where we're going to use a little bit of heat to help it conform. Just a little wave over with a heat gun goes a long way. The cotton gloves, those also help to work the film in conjunction with the heat. The material falls back on itself, not a big worry. You pull it up, working that air out towards the opening, and you can see the material laying right in. Stretches very nice and easy. Again, the glove is to help you to slide quickly over the material, which gets it to lay down nice and flat. Pretty high. A little bit right there. Heat and stretch. You can always come back to the air bubble one more time. Right to right there. Heat it. There it is. You can see how you can just heat it. Once you get it to the right temperature, pull it over, it stretches everything flat and straight. Right in here. So then it's just a matter, once you got it installed, is just working it around. Come over here. Using the application of heat to work it in and then go back and trim everything down. So, not rocket science. It takes a little patience and a little bit of heat and effort, and you can have amazing effects.